Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar, and we have Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so you wish for songs and I bring them up here for you on Wednesdays. So it's time, we have AJR here, Big White Bed, and it's you, Dog 311, you wished for this song, so a great choice there. AJR, been here on Go On Guitar many times, so I'm happy to bring them up again. There are many fans out there, so I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, feel free to support me here on Go On Guitar, subscribe to this channel, and you can also have access to your song there if you wish, and you react with me. I perhaps bring them up their songs, your song on Wednesdays. So anyway, let's take a look at Big White Bed. All right, so we don't have any use for capo here, so we're going clean here on fretboard. We have a couple chords to go over, so let's start with that. First, it's the G, so that is third on E string, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord, C, you can take that in two different ways. One is more convenient perhaps, it's the C add version of it. So it looks like G, like this, but you just get down with your fingers one string down, your mid and index to this position, and keep the bottom there, and that will be the C version 1. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, third B, and third E. That's one version. The standard C chord is like this, but then you need to switch a little bit like that, so it's perhaps more convenient to go with the C add. I showed you in the introduction tutorial both ways, so it's up to you to choose there. But anyway, the standard C looks like this. Third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so it's up to you there. And we go on here with D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we also have the G7. So that is third on E, second on A, then open D, open G, open B, and first E. These are the main chords, but we also have right in the end of this song a C minor, so we always have to bring in a bar chord there, and this is no exception for that. We have the bar here placed on the third fret. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, so 5 strings from bottom like this. And then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. There you have your C minor. Yes, so C minor, that's the last chord. Let's take a look at this song starting here with the verse. So you could go with the verse and play it in two different ways. Either you go with 1 down per chord, or I will show you later a strumming pattern which I would choose if I would play this song. But the song actually starts with this chord progression here, only 1 down per chord. And the chord progression will be G, then C, G. So you see it's very convenient to go with the C add version here, since G looks like this and C add just like that. So you don't have to switch like this back and forth. So G, C, G. Okay, so it goes fast there. G, C, G, then D, E minor, C, G. Or from E minor, E minor, C, G. Okay, so the C you choose on your own there. But anyway, that's the chord progression. G, C, G, D, E minor, C, G. Alright, so that's how I handle it with just 1 down per chord. We're gonna keep the same rhythm here, but now we're gonna work a little bit more with the downs and ups. Okay, so we're gonna go chord by chord. We start again from G. You're gonna play there down, down, up. Then you land on the C, just 1 down. And then you go back to G and play down, down, up. Okay, so far we played G, C, and G. It goes like this. Then you continue with the rest here. You're gonna go with D, just one down. And then E minor, down, down, up. Then you land on C, one down only. And then the final G, down, down, up, down, up. So from D, it was D, one down, and then E minor, down, down, up, then C, one down, and then G, down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So from the beginning, I'm gonna take this very slow. It goes down, down, up, C, down, down, up, D, E minor, down, up, C, G, down, up, down, up. So, without speaking. And in tempo, a couple rounds. So that is the verse play. Now over to chords, and the chords is more of a straight strumming pattern, and you're going to do that with each and every chord in the same way. So the strumming pattern here will be the one we played on the last G in the verse. So it's down, down, up, down, up. So if we go to G, that's the first chord in the chorus. One string around will be down, down, up, down, up. So it's down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up. And a couple rounds of that goes. The first down I really want to emphasize, I go for a full down stroke there, and then the rest down, up, down, up. I play a little more on the mid, higher notes, strings down here. Right? So the chord progression here will be G, one string around, then D, one string around, E minor, one, G7, one, and C2. That's it. So G1, D1, E minor, one, G7, one, and C2. Goes like this. Again. All right. So that's the chorus. And you're thinking, what about the C minor chord? Yeah, I mentioned it will be in the very, very end of the song. So in the last round, when you play the chords there, you're gonna play the last round like G1, D1, E minor 1, and G7, 1. To that point, everything is the same. But then instead of playing C2, you play C1. Then you're gonna go to this C minor and play down, up, okay? On the C minor. So the last C, instead of playing 2 rounds there, you're gonna split it. You're gonna play 1 round of C, and you go and switch to C minor and play down, up, and then just you end with 1 down on the G, and that is how the song ends. So the last round from this beginning of the chord progression goes G, D, E minor, G7, C, C minor, and G. That's it. That's the end of AJR's Big White Bed. Dog 311 and all you AJR fans, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Click like on this little button there, find the subscription button and subscribe to this channel, and I'm very happy for that, guys. So thank you for support, and until next time, play tuned.